Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, mi amukeriwile eka channel ya mina vitonzi Tariro, and namutla we are going to be making some pom-pom earrings inspired by Sho Madjozi. So this is my yarn that I use. This regular acrylic yarn. You can get this in any shop. It's about 6 rand 50 or 7 rand. And the first thing that I do is to basically just start wrapping it around my fingers. And I wrap it around my 4 fingers just like that. And I wrap around about half of that whole ball. And when I have used up about half of the whole ball, then I just take it off my fingers and then I tie it in the middle just like that. And I make sure that it's tied and secured very tightly. And then I just make a knot like that. Then I take my scissors and I now cut. So as you can see, with the moment I cut it, it already starts to look like a pom-pom. Then using my scissors, I now start to trim it down. And basically the way I do this is to just randomly just turn it around and just cut using my scissors until it gets to the size that I want. And then I do the same for the other one. Then I now take my earring loops and some thread and a needle. Then I tie the knot on my thread. Then I put it through the center of the pom-pom. So at this point I have doubled my thread about 2 times. So I'm working with about 4. This is now like regular sewing thread, and then I put it through my earring loop and I make sure that it's closed securely. And then I put it back through the pom-pom.
Tasla on the bit.
And then I pull the thread on the other end and then I tie 2 knots just to make sure that it's secure. And then I also did the same thing for the other one. So that is the end product, that is the end result, and as you can see, it's a very simple and easy DIY. So ndzi kensile ku va mi vonile video ya mina. Ndzi kombela mi like video, subscribe ya channel ya mina, mi siya ti comments. Inkomo.